In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the you may like from your TikTok suggestions. So if you're seeing either suggested search suggestions or accounts in this you may like section, then we can actually go and refresh and change this page. So the first thing you can do is obviously just click on the refresh button next to you may like, and that should go and refresh all of the suggestions. Now, if this doesn't work, another thing we can do is come over to our TikTok profile, go and click on the settings bar in the top right hand side and click on settings and privacy. Now you'll need to scroll down to activity center and click on this, click on search history, click on select in the top right hand side, click on select all history and click on delete all, then press delete. Now once you've done that, come back over to the previous settings page and select notifications. Now scroll down until you see personalized post suggestions and make sure these two options here are turned off. And you can check to see if your suggestions have now changed. Now, if you're still seeing the same suggestions here, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on help us improve. Click on the suggested searches are not interesting or are not personalized, and then go and select the accounts that you no longer want to see. Now click on submit. Now what you can do is go and force close the TikTok application. Once it's closed, we can open it back up. Click on the search box once again, and these suggestions should have now changed. If it doesn't work straight away, you can also try logging out and logging back into your account. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.